Hey everybody, this is PDX here with another Davinci Resolve tutorial, and today I'll be showing you guys just how to add a sound bit to your video. And not just any sound bit, but say you found a video that has a bit in it that you want, but just the audio part, not the video at all. So we'll be going ahead and showing you that today. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright folks, and here I have the same TikTok we've been kind of working on with these tutorials here, showing you a little bit here and there of what to do and how to do it. So today I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to be showing you how to, you want to add a sound bit to a video, but you don't want to go through the process of maybe scrubbing just the audio out of that and having just the audio clip. So I do have some stuff here for you. So I have a whole file of sound bits and everything like that. I save stuff constantly. So say I have Ralph Wiggum, you know, the Family Guy Simpsons thing. I'm in danger. I just want that sound bit, right, in the video. So what we're going to do is we're going to do our normal import media. I got that guy. I'm going to throw that in there. There we go. On this one, I would be like,
oh! Sometimes maybe shit!
I want it like right in here, right? So we're gonna go, okay, I want this bit, but we're gonna click and drag this sucker on over here. We're gonna place it here. But of course, it's a long bit, so I'm gonna cut it down.
There's a kid back
and
there.
I know that little bit that I want is gonna be right there, so I'm gonna go ahead and go right here. We're gonna hit right click on that. We'll cut that. And we can get rid of that bit, so it'll be just this.
I'm in danger!
So then we can, boom, I'm going to go and right click again, we're going to delete that, and boom, we're going to cut that out. So I'm going to go back to where I want that, right? So say I want it right there, so I'm going to click and drag this a little bit back.
Sometimes maybe shit!
I'm going to place it right here.
I'm in danger!
Oh!
So we want
Sometimes maybe shit!
We like you say, you see the
danger.
video, you don't see the actual clip. So we want the actual audio, right? So I want to go ahead and get rid of that. Just the video. You'll still get the audio. It'll just disable that video track. So what we want to go over here is you got your tracks. You got your 1, 2, 3, 4. That track is on 4. This little thing here will be disabled track. No, it will not disable the whole video. It'll just disable the video part of it. The audio will still be there. So I'll click that. It'll go kind of dull like this. So if I was to scroll
Sometimes
back
maybe
in
shit!
and then play it,
I'm in danger!
Oh!
you still get that audio bit in there. That way you can add that to it and stuff like that. Now say I have an audio that you want, that's just the audio. That is a simple thing. Say I have an audio, just an audio bit that I wanted, right? So I have an audio bit here, right?
It was at this moment that he knew.
Just like that. So I'm going to go to where I want to place it, right? Then we're going to go boom. I'm going to click and drag that sucker. But it will actually end up below all your videos. So you can click and drag it on over here. It'll be below, and that'll snap to that. That's where you want. You'll let go, and it'll place it.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Oh!
There you go.
Shit!
That's just the audio clip, and that's the same concept. If you have just an audio source, you can do that. Or, like I said, the first process we showed was clipping it down and then disabling that track so you have just the audio of that video. Again, small tutorial, anything that you would like to see me show you how to do. More than likely, go ahead, comment below. Any likes, subscriptions are very helpful. I'll be getting a little bit more of these done. That would be fantastic. Y'all have a wonderful day.